Students, I am J.K. Kumbar sir, as assistant teacher in K.A. Bantiya Madhyamik Vidyalaya Navin Padve. In previous period, we have seen already by concept of circles and some theorems. Now we are going to see the practice set 3.1. First example, this figure is already given. C-centered circle, AC is radius and AB is tangent of this circle. Now here radius is 6 centimeter. That means CA is 6 centimeter. Line AB is tangent, and what is major angle CAB? What is major angle CAB? Student, we know tangent theorem. It is on page number 51. You know the statement of tangent theorem. If the line is perpendicular to radius, then this is tangent. That means here, what is major angle CAB? CAB is 90. And phi tangent AB is perpendicular to radius AC. Tangent AB is perpendicular to radius AC, and therefore with the theorem from tangent theorem we can write here angle CAB is 90. We can write here tangent theorem also. Then what is distance of point C from distant line AB? This line AB means this is tangent. And what is of distance of point C from line AB? You know this is radius. This is tangent. Point A is point of contact of tangent and radius. That means 6 centimeter. What is distance of point C from line AB? Distance of point C from line AB is 6 centimeter. Again, why? Tangent AB is perpendicular to radius. That means CB is greater than CA. Point A is point of contact, and therefore here we can write CB is greater than AC and tangent theorem. This is the reason point C is 6 centimeter from line AB. Then our third question is, distance AB is 6, find distance BC. Here distance AB is also given. In our figure, we know AC is 6, this is radius, AB is 6, also given. Distance AB is 6, find BC. That means we have to find here segment BC or side BC or hypotenuse of triangle, right angle triangle CAB. In triangle ACB or CAB, angle CAB is 90. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, if this angle is 90, this triangle is right angle triangle, and in any right angle triangle, if we know two sides, we can find third side with the help of Pythagoras theorem. What is formula of Pythagoras theorem? Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides, means therefore BC square is equal to CA square plus AB square is equal to 6 square plus 6 square is equal to 36 plus 36, and therefore BC square is equal to 72. by taking square root of both sides. Under root 72. We know 72 is not a perfect square. This is 36 into 2. And 36 is perfect square. Square root of 36 is 6. Means 6 root 2 centimeter is distance BC. Answer according to example. This is answer. Then last question, what is angle ABC and phi? Angle ABC, we know this is 90 degree. This is right angle triangle, this is 90. These two sides are equal and we have to find here angle ABC. You know students, if any triangle, if two sides are equal, then this triangle is isosceles triangles. That means these two angles are congruent. Sum of three angles of any triangle is 180. This is 90. That means these two angles are congruent. Means angle ABC is 45 degree. In triangle CAB, CA is equal to AB. CA is equal to AB is equal to 6 cm is already given. Means triangle ABC is isosceles triangles. CAB isosceles triangle, and therefore angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Reason, CA is equal to CB. This is required answer. Angle ABC is 45 because two sides are equal. Therefore, this triangle is isosceles triangle, and therefore this angle is also 45 and this angle is also 45. Okay, any problem? No problem. Very easy example. Students, in this practice set, only 4 examples are here. This is first example. Now we are going to see third example and remaining 2 examples. First example is already completed here. Now we are going to see third example. Remaining example number 2 and example number 4, you try to solve yourself. Okay? We are going to see third one. This figure is given. Draw this figure first. Tangent drawn from external point of circle. This is OR and this is MN. Segment RM and segment RN. Tangent. Tangent. Segments. Center O. Prove that segment OR is bisects angle MRN and as well as angle MON. This is example, third example. This figure is already given. Segment RM and segment RN. segment RM and segment RN are tangent segments drawn from external point of circle. Then O is center of circle. And what we have to prove here? Segment OR is bisects the angle MON and angle MRN. We have to prove here segment OR is bisects of angle MRN and angle MON. How we can prove? Segment OR is bisects of this angle and this angle. How we can prove? Bisects means two equal parts. Two equal parts of this angle and two equal parts of this angle. Means we have to prove these two angles are congruent and these two angles are congruent. We have to prove these two angles are congruent and these two angles are congruent. Then we can write OR is a bisect of angle MOA and angle MRN. How we can prove these two angles are congruent? We have to prove these two triangles are congruent. You know the test of congruence of triangle, and with the help of test of congruence of triangle or right angle triangle, we can prove these two triangles are congruent. And if these two triangles are congruent, then corresponding angles are also congruent. And if angles are congruent, then we can write segment OR is bisect of this angle and bisect of this angle. Means first our priority is we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. Before that, we have to write what is given. Given from this segment RM and segment RN are tangent segments. Then O is center. This is given, and we have to prove. What we have to prove here? Prove that segment OR is bisects angle MRN and angle MON. What is our first priority? We have to prove these two triangles are congruent. Their construction is not necessary. In triangle OMR, and triangle ONR, OM is congruent to ON. OM is congruent to ON. What is the reason? These are the radius of these two same circle. That means a radii of same circle. Then angle OMR is equal to angle ONR is equal to 90 degree. Tangent theorem. We know this theorem is on page number 51. Then OM is congruent to, OR is congruent to OR. Segment OR is congruent to segment OR. Common side. Here is common side, but these triangles are right angle triangle, and then this common side is nothing but hypotenuse. And here in these two triangles, this hypotenuse and this radius is equal. Means one side and hypotenuse, and therefore these triangles are congruent by which test? Triangle OMR is congruent to triangle ONR by hypotenuse side theorem. And if triangles are congruent, then these corresponding angles are congruent. And therefore, angle MOR is congruent to angle NOR. and angle MRO is congruent to angle MRO. These two angles corresponding angles of congruent triangles. CACT means corresponding angles of congruent triangles. These two angles are congruent, these two angles are congruent. If these two angles are congruent, then we can write segment OR is bisects angle MON and angle MRN, and this is we have to prove here. Therefore, segment OR is bisects. Segment OR is bisects angle MRN and angle MON. This is we have to prove. This is last sentence of this theorem, and this is we have to prove. That means this example or this proof is completed here. Now here remaining only two examples are remains here. Example number 2 and example number 4. You try to solve yourself, and then next article or next point is chapter we can see in next period. If any problem, you can ask me, you can message me, you can phone me. My number is already I am given in last and first period also. Maths 2 and chapter 3 circle. Okay, here we have to complete a concept of circle, then some theorems based on circle. Then there is one important theorem, tangent segment theorem, you see again and again. And on the basis of this concept of circle, we have completed here practice set 3.1, and remaining examples you can try to solve yourself. Okay, bye.